Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you guys can learn spoken English by using ChatGPT. Yes guys, yes, by using ChatGPT you guys can learn spoken English easily without having a partner, without having anyone. You guys can easily learn spoken English. That is really, changeable. That is really good for everyone. Yes guys, you heard it right. You heard it right. Whether you are complete beginner or you want to speak good English, you want to learn English, ChatGPT will help you a lot. ChatGPT will transform the way you learn spoken English, and it will definitely help you a lot in gaining the confidence level. And because learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary, but it's about gaining the confidence level, enjoying the process, and practicing consistently. So ChatGPT will help you there. ChatGPT comes there. So guys, let me walk you through how this works and how you guys can get started on this platform, on this app. First thing first, if you did not download this app, just the link is in description. Tap the link and download it from that link, and after that you guys have to log in that app and start your learning journey. This is the first step you guys have to do with this learning process. First, let's break it down from when you guys are starting. Actually, if you are a beginner, so ChatGPT will help you a lot. You guys have to use ChatGPT for the simple grammar, vocabulary, for learning new sentences, for learning phrases. So you guys have to recognize yourself. Just take a look on yourself that what am I now? Am I beginner? Am I mediocre? Am I totally have I improved totally? So just look on yourself. So only because of on the basis of this you guys have to use ChatGPT. If you are a beginner, I am just taking the beginner's point of view that you guys have to use ChatGPT for simple grammar like present tense, continuous tense, present perfect tense, past indefinite tense. These kinds of simple sentences you guys have to understand by using ChatGPT. Just okay. And simple vocabulary. If you are just you might be confused on some vocabulary that you guys are reading somewhere, you guys are listening somewhere. So you guys have to note down there, and ChatGPT will give you the way to learn, will give you the answer of your question. So actually guys, you don't have to wander anywhere. If you are using ChatGPT in a good manner, you don't need to wander. So for this, how you guys can use ChatGPT? You guys simply have to ask. For example, so let's suppose I am confused on a particular meaning, that is arbitrary. Arbitrary hota kya? What is arbitrary? If I am reading some newspaper or some books, so I found that this vocabulary I don't know about, so I will just put it on the ChatGPT page. I just have to ask what is the meaning of this vocabulary. Just I will put down that vocabulary on ChatGPT app, and I will say that please give me the answer in Hindi language or in English language. It will give you that arbitrariness is that something manmana. If you are unable to understand in a particular way, it will give you many ways. You will definitely get it easily if you are able to understand those. You will be able to understand easily by using ChatGPT. If you are just looking at, if you just found something that you are unable to, that you are unaware about, and you guys have to put down on ChatGPT, and after that it will give you the answer of that question. Just ask the question in a right manner. राइट मैनर में यदि आपने क्वेश्चन उसमें आस्क किया तो ये बड़ी आसानी से आपको आंसर दे देता है. See guys, step number 2, that is building vocabulary. If you are just looking for some, YouTube channels or vocabulary for phrases, so ChatGPT comes there. ChatGPT comes there. You don't need to worry about the vocabulary. You don't need to be wondering for the vocabulary or phrases. You just need to search. You just need to ask the question in ChatGPT page. Just note down that please give me hundreds of vocabulary. Please give me these kinds of vocabulary in a particular niche. Like if we want to understand the cooking vocabulary, so it will. You guys just have to search. You guys have to note down, or you can speak. There it will make you note down that you guys have to do is please give me the cooking vocabulary that I can use in that I can use in my day-to-day life conversation. So it will give you many things here. Okay, so this is how guys you guys can learn the multiple vocabulary easily without wandering anywhere, without wandering for the some channels or any kinds of places. It will make you understand easily. So this is the third step that you guys have to do, is learning vocabulary from the ChatGPT. It will help you a lot because vocabulary will build your spoken English in a very good manner, because spoken English is not just only about the grammar, but it is also about the vocabulary, because we are just not using the sentences, but we are using the vocabulary with that sentences. Like if I have to use eat, so this is also a vocabulary. If I have to use dance, this is also a vocabulary. If I have to use arbitrariness, this is also a vocabulary. So we are just using the many vocabularies with each sentences. So building vocabulary will help you a lot for spoken English. So this is how you guys can speak very good English. So this is the step number 3. Use it and learn spoken English easily. Guys, the step 4 that you have to do is speaking practice. Ultimately, you guys will have to speak, because you are not looking for learning for the sentences or for the reading purposes, for the examination purposes, but you are looking for spoken English. You guys want to speak in English language. Speaking के लिए आपको you will have to practice a lot. Ultimately, you guys have to practice a lot. Otherwise, you cannot think about learning a language. For learning a new language, you will have to practice. You will have to speak. You will have to speak rather than, despite making many mistakes, you will have to pass this tough journey, this challenging journey by yourself, by speaking. So ultimately you guys have to speak. Until you speak, you cannot learn. So how to practice, I already have told you in my videos that you guys have to put the mirror in front of you. You can speak in front of the mirror. Mirror technique will help you. You guys have to do self-talk about your whole day, about your everything that you have learned from the ChatGPT, that you have learned the vocabulary from the ChatGPT or sentences or phrases. You guys have to use those phrases. This is how you guys are using the ChatGPT effectively in a very good manner. Because you are learning, whatever the things you are learning, you guys have to use ultimately. Because speaking के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Speak more than you learn. यानी कि जितना आप कंज्यूम करते हो उससे ज़्यादा आपको बोलना है. जितना ज़्यादा आप लर्न करते हो उससे ज़्यादा आपको बोलना है. This is how you guys can speak very good English ultimately. And guys, last but not least is consistency is the key. I have told in many videos that without consistency it might be very long journey. It might be it will be taking so many months if you are not consistent in your journey, if you are not disciplined in your journey, in your learning journey. It is not only about spoken English, but also about in any kinds of niche, any kinds of career, any kinds of category. You will have to be consistent, otherwise you will not be able to focus, you will not be able to learn that thing in a timeline that you guys set before, that I just have to learn spoken English in just 3 months. So you will have to be consistent, otherwise it will give you the very sad feelings, very negative feelings, pessimistic सोच आपको देगा ये, यदि आप कंसिस्टेंट नहीं है और अपनी लर्निंग जर्नी में. तो गाइज बी कंसिस्टेंट, ये मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है. दिस इज माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू यू गाइज. Consistency is the key. How can you be consistent in your learning journey? If you have the confidence level, if you have the confidence, so you will definitely be consistent in your learning journey. For your increasing the confidence, आपको starting में 10 days, only for 10 days you will have to push yourself forward. Every day आपको ये कहना है कि थोड़ा कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा मतलब आपको करना है. 10 days के बाद में it will 10-20 days के बाद में, after 10-20 days it will be in your habits. It will be in your habits. After making habit, after it has become your habit, there is no need to push. There is no need to push. It will be automatically happening with you. It will automatically happening with you. For example, मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल लेता हूँ. व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू डू एक्सरसाइज इन स्टार्टिंग, आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी टायर्ड, बट मेरे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस था, मेरे अंदर वो चाह थी. आई वांटेड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म माय बॉडी, आई वांटेड टू बी हेल्दी. आई एम नॉट वेरी हेल्दी, आई एम नॉट एबल टू ट्रांसफॉर्म easily, but I am willing to transform my body. So मैं exercise करता हूँ daily. I do exercises every day. So एक्सरसाइज के लिए मुझे पुश करना पड़ता था स्टार्टिंग में. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग एक्सरसाइज, आई यूज्ड टू पुश माई सेल्फ फॉरवर्ड दैट आई हैव टू डू इट. But after some days, it is automatically happening with me. If I am unable to do exercises on a particular day, I feel very sad. I feel very negative that why did not I do exercises today? So we will be able to enjoy the process after sometimes if we have been in that process, if we have been enjoying this process for a long time, it will be very easy to learn. It will be very easy to learn anything. So this is how guys you can learn English, spoken English from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you a lot, and here I have talking about all the things which are relevant for spoken English by using ChatGPT. If you found this video relevant, please 1 lakh तो बनता है, and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends who are very very close to you so that they can also watch my videos. And have a good day. We'll meet another very specific video. And comment करिए यार कि कैसा है मेरा वीडियो, कहाँ पर मैं गलतियाँ कर रहा हूँ, और on what topic do I have to make videos. And कि आपने ChatGPT, after using ChatGPT, please comment on this video that how are you experiencing, how is your experience with the ChatGPT as a beginner. Please tell me in my comment section of this video. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.